Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an incredible realm of technology that's changing the way we interact with our living spaces: home robots. I'm Top-Rated Critiques, and in this comprehensive video, we'll explore the diverse world of home robots, from their origins to their current applications and the exciting potential they hold for the future. So, let's embark on this enlightening journey. The concept of robots in our homes has captivated human imagination for decades, from the early days of science fiction to today's reality. While we may not have humanoid companions that cook and clean like in the movies, we've witnessed remarkable strides in home robotics. These machines, powered by cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and computer vision, are designed to assist, entertain, and streamline daily routines. Home robots come in various shapes, sizes, and functionalities. From personal assistants to cleaning robots, here are some popular categories. Personal assistants. These robots are like voice-activated smart speakers on wheels. They can answer questions, set reminders, manage schedules, and provide weather updates, enhancing daily efficiency. Entertainment companions. Imagine having a robot that tells jokes, plays games, and engages in casual conversations. These robots offer a dose of entertainment and companionship, particularly for those living alone. Cleaning and maintenance robots. Robot vacuums are perhaps the most familiar in this category. However, there are also mopping robots, window cleaners, and even robots that clean gutters, making household chores easier and more convenient. Educational and learning robots. Some robots are designed to teach new skills, languages, and concepts. With interactive screens and engaging content, they cater to both children and adults, fostering continuous learning. Home robots thrive in the era of the smart home. They act as central hubs, connecting and controlling various smart devices like lights, thermostats, security cameras, and more. Their integration ensures seamless home management, all controlled through voice commands or intuitive apps, creating a more convenient and efficient living environment. The benefits of home robots are multifaceted. They can save time, alleviate stress, and offer assistance to people with limited mobility or disabilities. Additionally, they contribute to energy efficiency through smart home integration, helping us reduce our carbon footprint. However, with great innovation comes important considerations. Privacy and data security are paramount, as these robots gather data about our daily lives. Ethical dilemmas arise, such as the potential displacement of certain jobs and the impact on human relationships. Striking a balance between the convenience these robots offer and the potential consequences they pose is a significant challenge. The future of home robots is tantalizing. As technology advances, we can expect even more sophisticated AI, enhanced autonomy, and improved human-robot interaction. Robots might evolve to understand emotions, tailor responses, and provide genuine companionship. Moreover, as robotics become more affordable and accessible, they could become an integral part of many households. With increased integration, the ethical and social implications become even more pertinent. Striking a balance between convenience and safeguarding privacy, ensuring job displacement doesn't rise to alarming levels, and fostering healthy human-robot relationships are just a few of the many challenges we must address. In conclusion, home robots have evolved from science fiction dreams to a tangible reality. They offer an array of functionalities, from personal assistance and entertainment to smart home integration and companionship. These machines have the potential to reshape how we live, work, and interact with our surroundings. As we embrace the benefits and navigate the challenges, it's essential to remain mindful of the ethical considerations and societal impacts. Responsible integration of home robots into our lives can lead to a future where technology enhances our well-being while maintaining the values and connections that make us human. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more captivating tech content. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and welcome the fascinating world of home robots into your life.